Hey everyone, we are back, but this time with something even bigger. Our amazing team has been working hard on an exciting project, a complete Udemy Clone. While it's still a work in progress, we cannot wait to share everything with you, so let's dive in. Our project follow a well-organized structure, making it easy to manage both the front-end and back-end. The back-end is designed efficiently, ensuring every single line of code is optimized. On the front-end, we have built an interactive UI that seamlessly integrates with the back-end logic. One special feature we have implemented is concurrently, which allow us to run both backend and frontend together on localhost, making development super smooth. Now let's take a look at the UI. As you can see, it closely resembles Udemy's design, giving a user-friendly experience. So in the right top corner, as you can see, here is the authentication part. In the authentication part, we added for the register account, and if the user have account, then he can go for the sign in, or otherwise he can go for the sign up. So in the sign up page, as you can see that here is the only one thing, full name. Here we added the multi pages authentication system. So in this section, as you can find that after putting the name, you will get the next part like email. So it will in the email part, we added the email validation system. If you put any wrong email, then it will throw an error. If email is exist in the domain, then it will send an OTP in your Gmail account, and you can put that account here, and then you can register. By the way, I already have created the account, that's why it will not, so it will throw an error while putting the password. Just check. So we created a shopping cart system also. Users can add the courses in our cart and then purchase by clicking on the checkout system. Right now there is no project, that's why UI is looking like this. And if we move forward for the next, and here you can see the other pages, like the first section is the let's say start learning. That section is just showing that it is for the last recent watched courses, and also these are the purchased course, and users can go for the courses directly watching by clicking on that. So here as you can see, the course content, whole course content will be shown, and the progress will be shown. And we also created a video player system that working perfectly, and with a few features like muting, pause and stop and move, and full screen also. And then back we will add then here we added a get Udemy business part. So this is for the persons who wanted to create a great Udemy business. So by filling this form, and it is also require a different login system because it is a Udemy business account. And then when we will move to the next part, here we divided the courses in different parts, like based on recommendation and top of courses, top notch courses, and topic based courses. And we also include the recommendation for the users or developers, students, by clicking on that, like CSS, JavaScript, web development, responsive, and 2D steps. He can directly redirect it to the specific course content and specific course part. This is all about this. One more thing that we added, that is instructor. So by clicking on instructor, only instructor can create the courses. So by filling this forms along with the complete detail like video and images and thumbnail and the whole detail, users must have to instructor must have to add, and then a course will be created for that. If we go through the repository. In the repository we maintain all the things like all the guidelines along with the picture and along with the UI part like home UI and overall the things, and all the guidelines for running and overall. And this design is also available in the mobile and tablet and laptop, desktop also. So it is fully responsive for all sizes of screens. Thank you.